demonstration of Grant Thornton's ERP data migration toolkit. This toolkit is built on Visual Builder Cloud Service and uses Database Cloud Service at the backend and Oracle Integration Cloud Service as well for any transformation and mapping. The toolkit can read the data from various sources, multiple databases, and the file systems, as well as you can even load the data directly from the screen. This toolkit can be launched separately or from within the Oracle ERP Cloud. As I'm now launching it from Oracle ERP Cloud, you can click on the icons required for your job. So in this example, I'm going to look at the supplier data migration workbench. We'll just click on that one. That will take you to the Oracle Platform as Service, which is VBCS page. And then every workbench first shows you the history of the data migration activities taken on. The dashboard shows you all the counts and the files you loaded previously. You can look at the previous data loads by clicking on the particular file, and it will show you what has happened to those data migration files. Loading the data in Oracle Cloud is slightly complex because it requires you to produce the data in a specific FBDI format, which is a multi-tab Excel sheet, which then you need to load in Oracle Cloud. On top of that, you also have to actually sequence your file load. So just to load the supplier, as you can see, you will have to actually load 5 different files, and then only you can have a transactionable supplier in the system. The data migration toolkit takes care of everything. You only have to supply a simple flat file to the toolkit. The toolkit will do all the transformation, mapping, as well as will sequence the data load activities required. As you can see, it will first load the supplier, and then it will move on to the addresses, site assignments for the BU, and the context for the supplier by just taking a simple file. As you can see in this example, I have taken a very simple flat file, taking the data from a source system. This could be a very well any system such as eBusiness Suite or PeopleSoft or Dynamics, whichever source system you have it. The toolkit can connect directly to the databases on-prem or in the cloud. For transformation purpose, Toolkit has got a backend of database cloud service. This is an Oracle autonomous database, which will host the data for staging purposes if required. And then at the end of the data migration activities, all the data will be purged as well. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you very much.